scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Be your monster, darling, while you're scared asleep at night. Oh, to tell you that we're in peril of your life. No, baby, can't you see the monster beyond night?
Hey guys, girls and ghouls, it's your boy Razor from Razor's Twisted Exploring. We're out in the Shropshire area today. We're coming to check out this abandoned house. I'm here with Gavin and Bearded Reality, so come along and we'll explore. So this is what we're looking at, guys. Wow. It's proper hidden away, really hidden away, as nature's took over it. Door's locked. Little amplifier. Ooh, clear right way there.
Oh, it is jammed. Wow.
Yep, I'll just come round here. Only just noticed these only fuel and horses.
It's rotten thing. It is, yeah. It is jammed, isn't it? So you see people like ransacked.
Race courses. Loads of
Yeah, it is
old
full.
videos.
Hey, it's a fire though. We know
Some cassette tapes.
it's a fire though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, fires in there. Definitely water damage and leakage as well.
The cottage, Sandbrook.
Oh, look at these. Have you seen these guitars? Yeah.
Quite literally as well, isn't it?
No, look at this one. This is mad.
Quite nice.
I think that's a
Acoustic
it's not
guitar.
original, but it's definitely nice there.
Obviously, there's one with strings on there. Just about.
It's just like I said, somebody's come and ransacked it, hasn't they?
There's all beams.
I don't know that maybe there was a fire, right? Or as in like, do you know what I mean?
Wow, that's quite a picture.
These. That's Henry VIII. Henry VIII, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Henry VIII. It's nice
Hidden.
sound
The Sir
box. It
Winston
can't be a nice
Churchill
sound bar,
ship.
It must have been early 2000s.
1984.
Tops. Oh, I've got a sound bar. Oh, yeah,
Nintendo Super Game Boy. A Super Nintendo controller. That's a very old console. Again, a very old picture of a ship. Some amazing antiques left here. And then the door here. Coat's still hung up. There's even like a brush here. Diary 1985. Wow. Even nature's starting to come inside here.
Wow! Found rescuers. Yo, Gavin, I found Dick Turtle. Dick Turtle. Dick Turtle. All the old
Yeah,
games
there's
here.
Henry VIII.
Yeah, all the old games here. Oh, there's magazines here that are still wrapped. Investing in manufacturing.
Oh, it's quite crammed in here.
All the party hats. The old smoker's pipe.
Ooh. Laptop down there. Some pictures, maybe of the family.
That's never seen that day, has it? Yeah, the fire touched here though.
Wow, look at that painting.
It smells, and it can smell it.
Ruined by natural decay and mould. Some of the old walking sticks canes in the corner here. There's like some sort of storage area. Some kids' toys. Dick Turtle.
That's quite quick. Smell it. When you bring it down, you can smell it. Oh, wow, see angels. These golden angels. Fake, but... Yeah, all the, like the fire really touched everywhere. You can see, can't you? Yeah, well, like, you tend to find them in these other places. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, the little golden angels.
Yeah. You can smell the rot there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
An
nice.
old mozzarella roller
Oh, wow,
phone.
look at the kitchen. Water's
Oh,
running.
so this would have
Oh,
been
hey,
like
look,
a
water's running
dining
there. I can see it dripping.
area.
Yeah, all the cassettes. Yeah, it's jam-packed.
Yeah, proper smell that water and damp.
Oh, look at like all the irons
Yeah.
and all these things. But it's very quaint kitchen though, isn't it? Like, all the like scissors and things all beautiful. Oh, 2010, so yeah, we've got a bit of a date there.
There was
Oh.
there was
It's a
a
handmade one, this.
there was a diary near the front door in 1985.
Yeah, 86. Yeah, I think that's maybe a relative and made that. Seen the meat grinder and like the other bits. Pretty cool. All the old food and stuff. What's back there?
Another room. That like
Oh, look
there's
at
some
all
laptop in it.
the old suitcases.
Very old cooker.
Let's see. That's silver, that. It's real silver, that.
Silver
Oh,
plate.
it's a real silver plate. Uncle Ben's.
Oh, the clock still sort of works.
Yeah, I'll take a while, isn't it? You got a bedroom here, or what?
It's like a conservatory area.
Oh, I see, yeah. Yeah, look at that. All those guys there.
It's like, is that like a lift shaft?
Yeah. Yeah, it is probably just
From the
upstairs.
calendar, they look disabled, so I'm
Yeah,
wondering
no,
if they had
I'm thinking they were. Somebody was definitely disabled. Well, the Institute of Management Consultant, Selected Member of the Institute, Jeffrey. So it's Jeffrey's house. This. I think I've heard of Jeffrey's house before. Like, it's very hard. I mean, this is an office, isn't it? It's very hard to move about. See the old Quality Street team? That's different. Little one, isn't it? All the scales over there as well. Yeah, lots of files.
toilets.
Lots of things. Yeah, just files and files. Ooh. The Hoover's very
Old.
70s,
Yeah.
isn't it? Very old.
What's this?
There's lift shaft. And look, you got like those sound things up there. That's nice though, have you seen this?
Wow, look at the lampshade.
Yeah, it doesn't seem very modernised, does it?
It was just full of old stuff. There's a massive pile of newspapers upstairs.
Hence the 90s gear. What is that?
So we're going upstairs.
Queen Forces soaking the quit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, it's collapsing over on that side there where that lift shaft is. This man, look at this. Look at the red thing. I'm going in here.
Go left and then go left again.
Look at this. Wow. Oh wow, it's a horn and everything, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's a terrace.
2001. Daily Mail. Hey, check the little tud out.
It's like I said, it is everything, isn't it? So, something like an older guy must have died. This must have been this guy when he was younger then. Oh, well, the watch.
Well, these are probably here.
That's a quartz, old quartz, that. Second Shrewsbury competition day. Maybe Jeffrey had some disabled kids there. Yeah, definitely an old. You can definitely tell it's an old dude as well. The old shirt.
Latin English dictionary.
Old more TV. Oh, we've got another ribbon.
A little projector.
Second prize, cat club.
It is, isn't it? It's a little projector.
Jigsaws. I love that
Oh,
coat. Wow.
Shrewsbury competition day. You just got
That is
second
a
place.
nice coat, that.
All this
There's a lot
clothing.
of these like play days and like kids' toys and things. It's, do you know what I mean?
Oh, another one.
That's what I just move that bit over there a minute.
He never made it to first place.
Obviously
He
he was
kept getting
watching,
second.
There you go, Oxford Library, words and phrases. Yeah. Obviously you used to watch TV up here. They literally had it up here then. More guitar cases. There's a lot of things knocking about here now. We used to watch a lot of DVDs as well. Wow, have you seen this old antenna? Look at that. Old TV antenna. And like calendar chocolates. Oh, is that
Oxford Library.
Look at that, it's the cassette player. So a cassette
That's
player.
proper retro.
Yeah.
Like. Bathroom. Suit hung up. Sink's been completely trashed.
I guess maybe he lived with like, a disabled child, maybe? That's got to be a cupboard or another.
Yeah, Mr. Potato Head.
Yeah, that's got to be a cupboard. Or you see if we can get down there and have a look. Yeah, look, somebody was very ill. That's to handbags on that, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to go do the dangerous room here. See if you can get to that cupboard. Oh, it's bad in here. It stinks. Look at the old pop TV. Damn, it's old. Wow. All the toys. That is mad.
TV down there.
Robocop, man.
Ah, Thomas the Tank Engine.
I mean, I want to get to see it, but
Wallpaper.
like, there's obviously lots of
Obviously,
knocking
kids
about.
are in. There's some sort of teddy
It's all
over there.
falling down, though. Look, all down there. All the old.
There's a little car picture over there.
Look, Robocop. That's what was that? Was that the Commodore? Yeah, Commodore.
Yeah.
I think. Or Atari.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. It's been Thomas. The kids for a minute. Yeah, it does the mouse trap. Does
Yeah.
take you back, doesn't it?
It does. The Garfield
Have you
over
seen the
there.
Ghostbusters, the real Ghostbusters sounds? And then you get TVs and stuff over there. There's lots of stuff here, so we might see if we can move some bits. Just see this. Oh wow! Look at that little computer. Little proper old one.
Hidden over there.
Oh, I don't know.
This car. 65 Mustang.
Ugh,
Over here.
like, I
We
can't
got
tell.
the greedy Ginger cat, Garfield.
Cat, well, you Garfield slippers there. I can't. I had one of these Tommy Water games.
Oh,
I can't tell if it's like somebody just came and dumped stuff here, like
Oh.
at one point in their life, and never came back into the rooms.
Vinyl player on the top of the
Yeah.
stereo.
Look at Mr. Postman.
Postman's bat.
Do you know what I mean? What's that? Is it bowling game? Yeah, look at that. Loads
Right, I
of
don't-
Power Rangers, the official annual. Yeah.
Go
That's
Power
really cool.
Rangers.
Again, lots of papers. I feel like somebody came and started storing things here at some point. Do you know what I mean? You got an attic-
Turtles
You got an
poster.
attic, you got an attic up there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's been. Oh, actually, yeah. It's sort of moves.
Maybe there's like storage up there. It's not been open for a while. See you now.
Oh, it's very tiny.
Yeah, maybe see it there. Maybe I'll have a peek. Right, I'm going this way.
Yeah.
Holding on.
So that was a cool explore, guys. A little house hidden away, a time capsule. Thank you for coming along yet again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you on the next. Peace out.